Hi, and welcome to Building the Dream, where we take you behind the scenes to all the businesses that help contribute to make the RV dream come true. In this video, we're going to be answering a couple of questions like what is Building the Dream and why we decided to create it.
Yes, so stay tuned and we'll see you in just a second.
So thanks for tuning in. We love the RV industry. In fact, we love the RV community. We've been traveling 48 states in 2 different RVs, a fifth wheel and a Class C.
Almost 4 years.
Almost 4 years of
Yes.
fun and full-time living. It's amazing. We can't say enough. And as we've traveled, we've been to RV shows, we've been to RV parks, we've taken tours of the RVs that we've purchased there at the facilities in Indiana. And one of the things that we noticed as we started traveling was all of the businesses, all of the people that help contribute to make this RV dream come true.
Exactly.
And we wanted to find a way to highlight that, to showcase them. And that's it. So we started a series called Building the Dream.
Yes.
Because that's exactly what it is. And we want to take you guys behind the scenes on how the manufacturing is done. We want to hear the stories of the owners of the company and how they started.
And what type of products are out there for you, so that you can see, how are they made and what options do you have? Not from just parts, but also what type of RVs there are.
There's so many different types, there's so many different models, and there's so many different pieces that make up every single RV. There's never just one RV with one part.
Yes.
There are thousands of parts manufactured across the country.
Yep.
And we're going to find them. So the recipe is pretty simple. If you know anyone out there that is building, manufacturing, and creating and servicing the RV industry, and someone that we would like to showcase, let us know.
Yeah.
Put it in the comments below, reach out to us, tell us, because we want to find you, we want to find them, and we want to showcase that here on Building the Dream.
Yes.
And bring all of the hard work that people do across the country to light.
Yes.
So we're pretty excited. We've got lots of episodes ahead. So you know what? Stay tuned.